My journey to mastering English in Oxford. Hello. My name is John, and I'm a student of English literature. This is my story about life in Oxford and my amazing teacher. You can read my journey and learn English with me. It's a beautiful summer day, and I'm traveling on a train. Two men are sitting across from me, speaking English. Although I'm studying the language, I'm still a beginner and don't understand much. I decided to speak with them using basic English. To my delight, they understood me, which made me very happy. I expressed my desire to learn English, and they shared that they were from England, returning home from a conference. We chatted for about 5 minutes before I reached my stop. They kindly gave me their contact information, inviting me to visit them in England. After this encounter, I committed to improving my English every day. I translated texts and watched English films. Within 5 months, my English had improved significantly, but I wanted more. So, I moved to Oxford to study English. At my new school, I attended my first class on Monday. I met my teacher, a kind and humble young lady, along with other students. She asked us about our knowledge of the language and explained her unique teaching method, which didn't rely on textbooks. Instead, she encouraged us to use English in daily life, which proved effective for me. I disliked textbooks as they often confused me. We discussed the importance of using language for communication, emphasizing that learning a language is best achieved by actively speaking and expressing ourselves. Many students memorize vocabulary and grammar rules without using the language. Our teacher taught us that practice is essential for mastering new words and grammar. I found this approach very helpful. We continued our lessons, talking about our hobbies and interests in pairs or with our teacher. I thoroughly enjoyed the classes, which were both effective and enjoyable. How I learned vocabulary. On Tuesday, a student asked the best way to learn new words. Our teacher explained that reading is statistically the most effective method. Reading for at least 30 minutes daily helps expand your vocabulary significantly. She advised choosing interesting texts at our level, ensuring the learning process remains enjoyable. When encountering unfamiliar words, she recommended using a dictionary to find their meanings, which helps reinforce understanding. With practice, new words become easy to remember. Reading also teaches how words connect within sentences, enhancing language skills. We then discussed student job opportunities in England. A fellow student suggested visiting a job center, which offers many options. After class, I went there and learned about various jobs suitable for students. I chose a cafe job, which provided more chances to practice English. I was excited to start on Thursday. On Wednesday, a quieter student from South Korea raised concerns about his pronunciation. Our teacher introduced us to the shadowing technique, where you mimic native speakers by listening and repeating phrases. This method, she explained, helps improve pronunciation effectively. We watched a demonstration video and practiced shadowing for a few minutes. Our teacher also mentioned that shadowing can help with presentations, enhancing pronunciation before speaking publicly. I found this technique intriguing and decided to try it. Later, I inquired about sports activities at school. I learned about the football team and decided to join. I enjoyed meeting players from various countries, enhancing my social experience in England. I was pleased with how my time there was unfolding. On Thursday, a new student named Jolly from Italy joined our class. She had previously attended a 2-week summer course. Her fluent and well-pronounced English impressed our teacher. Jolly shared that she had learned English at home through reading, shadowing, and thinking aloud, which greatly improved her skills. Curious about the thinking aloud technique, I asked our teacher. She explained that it involves expressing your thoughts in English, which helps in language practice. Jolly shared her experience, saying that although it felt challenging at first, it eventually became a natural part of her routine. This method, she said, significantly improved her speaking skills. Inspired by her success, I decided to try thinking aloud to enhance my fluency. Our teacher encouraged us to read, listen, think, and speak for about 30 minutes each day. Engaging in these activities would undoubtedly accelerate our English learning journey. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.